So hey, before we get started on this video, I wanted to give a messy warning content. This burger was very good, but it got all over my hands, got all over my face, and it was just a real mess. I actually ended up having to record 8.5 minutes of me eating this burger because my hands were too messy to reach around and hit the record button. So if that's going to be a problem for you, I just wanted to give you a heads up. It gets all over everything, but it had a fried egg on it, and it was delicious, but it was messy. So just a quick
Greetings one and all. How's everybody doing? I hope well. Got a burger from the Tipsy cow today. And look at that. The sucker broke open. I think I ate here one time before. I recall it being pretty good. Interesting. Let me get the camera down, show you. Try fry. So I got I believe it was the breakfast burger. Get rid of that toothpick. It's got bacon, which I think they breaded. Interesting. Lettuce, tomato, and egg. Oh, that looks like a brioche bun. And of course, French fries, which are always a winner. Take a bite. So I went ahead and ate about half the French fries. I'm sure you guys didn't want to sit there and watch me eating a bunch of fries. So I hope I can get down in there and get this burger out. Wow. Look at the size of that thing. It's sliding all over the place. The whole bottom bun is just covered in grease. Yeah, that's like chicken fried bacon. I don't know if you can see that just dripping. Well, I'll tell you what. I don't think I can set it down. They give you a look of it because it is extremely messy. It's just dripping everywhere. It tastes really good though. Look at that. All right, let me just say this. Excuse me. That's probably one of the drippiest, greasiest messes. That was so delicious. I couldn't put the burger down. Well, one, because it was kind of it was a handful to hang on to it, but I mean, it was really good. Probably would have been better eating it there. Let me show you this box. I couldn't even put the burger, I couldn't even turn the camera off to put the burger down so I could move to the next step. As you can see, that's the remnants. This is like a breaded bacon. It's like I would say it was almost like a onion ring batter. Yeah, so actually fell out of the burger while I was eating it. Really good though, really good. I'd say it was worth the $19 I spent on it. It was $23, but I left him a $3 tip. So. That's what I got left for fries. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish them. Alright, so that was really good. But it made a mess. Wow. I'm probably wearing part of it. You know what? I would absolutely eat here again though. Yeah, they serve a really good burger. Really good. I enjoyed every bite of it. Every messy bite. I will, they had kind of a larger menu, so I'll have to go home and record the menu like I have been doing with the other videos. So I'll put that right after this. But man, if you ever come to Redmond, it's a place you should check out. Okay, so I'm recording this at home. I'm literally working on the video for this as we speak. Like, here are all the clips. Anyway, here's our website, which will be the tipsycowburgerbar.com, which will be in the description. So we got the, they have to use a lot of fancy fonts in their burger. So there's the Tipsy Burger, the Marine Clubhouse, Zeus, the Brewmaster, the Experience, Beast Mode, the Rockstar, the Chicken Scratch, the Arsonist, El Domino. Let's see, which one did I have? I think I had the... Hang on, which one was it? It's the one with the egg on it. It had a fried egg. I'm all reading. Come on, where is it? Oh, I think it was right here. Oh, okay. So I had the Rockstar. It was a 7-ounce custom ground beef patty, beer battered fried bacon, maple syrup, Beecher's flagship white cheddar, a fried egg, caramelized onions, but I told them no onion because I hate them. Bib lettuce, tomato, and Tipsy sauce. And it was awesome, really good, but a huge mess. So they have the house-made dipping sauces. I should have got a side of the Tipsy sauce. I'll have to go back and get that. And then they got add-on subs. I think that's it. They just do burgers. I don't think they have salads. You can get a portobello mushroom if you want, a black bean or farro patty. They have gluten-free buns, or you can get a lettuce wrap. Oh, they had sweet potato fries. I'll have to get those next time too. Really good burger, but there's no prices menu. I think mine was like, after tax, I think it was like $19, so it was not cheap. But it's kind of like a high-end burger place. Really good though. I mean, I wouldn't eat there every day, but I would definitely go back. Oh, they had snacks. I guess I didn't scroll far enough. So they had fries, truffle fries, onion rings, sweet potato fries, maple bacon. Then they have 5 salads, a classic Caesar, the wedgie, Northwest mixed greens, fielded greens, kale. And then they had 6 milkshakes, cafe mocha shake. That actually sounds really good. Bananas Foster, cookies and cream, salted caramel, Northwest berry, the classics, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. They got a kids menu, kid burger. And then they got chicken strips, grilled cheese sandwich, dog bites, which I kind of appreciate to have kids menu. And then they had the drink menu, or kids drinks. And then they're a full bar too, so you can go in there and get beer, all kinds of whatever drinks you like. So good place to eat. A little spendy, like I said, but you know, for once in a while, it was pretty good. So just if you get it to go, just get a lot of napkins.
But yeah, I would go back.
All right, well, there's the menu. Yeah, Woody here again. As always, I thank you for watching. And somewhere on the screen here will be last week's plus my playlist for all these. If you missed any and you want to check them out, or you just want to run through them all and just set it and let it let it play through, would be appreciated. As always, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.